welcome back to the channel. So today, if your AC is not working, then this could be one of the problems. I mean, this could be your problem, which is the Lancer's problem. So this is what you call the magnetic clutch. So this is what's on the Lancer. So if this is connected to ground, and then this is switched by the AC. So if you see, nothing. Now this is a surplus that I bought, which is a little bit expensive for a surplus. I'll put it on I'll put it in on positive. So see, it has magnet. So I'll show you later how this works. So this is your magnetic clutch. I mean, this is your magnetic coil, and then this is your pulley, and this is your clutch. So your pulley is spinning, and this, I think it's better to explain it while this is in the car. Let's go to the car. So the clutch goes here. Make sure to clock it where this nipple goes in here. This is held by a C-clip. I'll just put this on. I'll show it to you later. So clip is on. Wiring connection is this. And let's clip the wire so it will not move. And then the pulley, which I need to hammer down. The pulley is on, and it is also held by a C-clip. And then clutch, nut, and then the pulley, I mean the belt, and then the belt, and then the tensioner, and we are done. It's so easy, Anson. You know, working on cars is so easy.
Oo naman, tito mo. Nanonood lang ako.
So tighten the belt here, and then once it's tightened, tighten the bearing. So it's working well now. Every time you turn on the AC, the magnet is activated and then the clutch engages. There you go. So the clutch is working now. But I see another problem. Ta-dang! Water pump is gone. It's leaking from the whip hole. So I guess I'll be doing a water pump and at the same time tension timing belt and tensioner.
May ibang project ulit kasi meron ng ibang may tao na kaming isa doon kung kailangan nila ng
Unit 4 kayo, di ba ngayon?
lahat. Pati naman unit ko eh.
O yan, may kailangan.
Oo.
Really, di ba nakakapunta na?
Ang galing gamitin eh.